Hey, I am a solution architect with 9 plus years of experience helping startups, SaaS founders, growing businesses to transform their raw ideas into production ready, high performance digital solutions. I work with clients who don't just want development completed, but they want clarity before coding, strong architecture before scaling, and long-term stability instead of short-term fixes. That's where I bring the most of the value. I operate at the intersection of technology, business strategy, and execution leadership, ensuring that what gets built today should continue to support the growth of tomorrow. When we work together, the outcome is not just a working product. It is structured, scalable, investor-ready system designed for real growth. What you can expect when you work with me are AI-enabled MVPs delivered with clarity, future, scope, and scalability. Strong leadership across architecture, execution, and team coordination. Well-documented APIs ready for integration, automation, and expansion. High-performance applications optimized for user traffic and long-term scale. Everything is built with stability, performance, and scalability, so your product is not just ready to launch, but to sustain the momentum and grow confidently. My work is built around 3 core pillars. The very first and important one is business aligned with innovation and product thinking. Technology alone doesn't create successful companies. Clear business understanding and meaningful innovation does. One of my strongest capabilities is the ability to quickly understand the business models, revenue mechanics, and operational workflows, and translating the industry challenges into practical and scalable digital solutions, and to align the engineering decisions with real-world user behavior and the market demands, and supporting the founders with investor-ready product structure and technical clarity. And I confidently contribute to the early stage ideas, R&D initiative, and the new inventions. Because the real goal is not just launching an application, but the real goal is to build a product that survives, scales, lead in its category, and generate profits. AI-assisted development and smart integrations. Speed is valuable, but only when quality, security, and architecture remain uncompromised. I use modern AI-assisted engineering workflows to reduce repetitive effort and accelerate delivery cycles while maintaining full ownership of system design, engineering judgment, and code integrity. This enables faster MVP development and iterations, smarter automations and operational efficiency, more focus on architecture, scalability, and performance. Beyond core engineering, I also handle third-party API integration and SaaS ecosystem connectivity, payment gateway and workflow automations, and operational tooling. AI-powered features such as chat system, intelligent processing, and optimizations. Cloud-ready developments designed for reliability and scale. AI is used as a force multiplier for my engineering excellence, never as a replacement for the thoughtful system design. End-to-end system architecture and technical leadership. Great products are not accidents. They are a result of clear thinking, strong architecture, and disciplined execution. I take ownership across complete life cycle, that is, bringing up the idea, creating the technical architecture, then implementing the MVP, and then creating the AI enhancements and enablement for the optimizations, and then lastly scaling the system so that your solution can not just serve hundreds of users, but millions of users. Now, this architecture involves designing system architecture and technical flows and scalable solution blueprints, and structuring the AI-ready MVPs with automations and integrations, creating the execution roadmap, delivery milestones, and technical visibility across whole of the project, identifying and resolving the technical risk and blockers and scalability challenges while on the planning itself, and leading cold core quality assurance governance, and performance optimization, and then implementing development pipelines, CI/CD workflows, and cloud-ready architecture infrastructure, supporting the team's scaling, onboarding, and engineering maturity. The objective is simple but powerful: that build systems that remain stable, adaptable, and maintainable as the business grows. Why clients chose to work with me? Clients don't just chose me for the development. They chose me for ownership, clarity, and long-term thinking. What sets my work apart is the senior level full stack architectural expertise, clean, scalable, future-ready code bases, clear communication with realistic planning and transparent execution, deep focus on performance, security, and maintainability, strategic mindset focused on years of growth, not just quick technical patches. I work with teams who value stability, clarity, and systems built to last. Let's connect and explore how we can turn your vision into scalable, production-ready system.